I think I have tested until I make Nigeria chicken pie this way. It was just so easy and mouth-watering. You can't wait to see how this is being done. So delicious and easy to make. Hello sweetie, welcome back. To begin, we are going to be adding some oil, that vegetable oil, then adding some chicken breast. Season with white pepper and seasoning powder, then give that a very good stir. Next, I will be adding ginger and garlic paste and give that stir. Then next, I will be adding some salt to taste and stir that together. During this process, you don't need to add in any water. Just be stir fried by adding some carrots, onions and green beans and get that fried together. I fry that for 3 minutes, and then after 3 minutes, all I do now is to add in some corn flour. So that is corn flour, and then adding meat stock. So I add the chicken stock and give that a very good stir. I get that cook for 5 minutes. So I add in a little bit of water and keep on stir frying. So now I will be adding some green bell pepper. So this is just to get it more spicy and then get that. At this point, guys, the sauce is ready. It cooks so nice and it was just so mouth-watering. Look at that, so delicious. So now I will keep that aside because it's ready to use. Have you shared this video? What are you waiting for? So now I will be making the dough. First, I'll be adding 2 cups of flour, then adding baking powder and salt to taste, then adding sugar. Then I'll be leaving the measurement and the center in the comment section. Try to check, and then adding fresh milk and then adding water. So I give that a very good mix. Now I will just take out the spatula and use my hand to give that a very good mix. So I have to mix the batter until it's just so nice and fluffy. If you haven't shared the video, what are you waiting for now? You have to share this and get this done. Even your kids are going to like this snack because it was just so simple, mouth-watering, like it was sweet. So now the dough is ready. Just look at that. All I do now is to cover that for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, the dough is ready. All I do now is to take my roller, then give that a very square rectangle shape. So this is what I have after doing that. Then I will just take my cutter to cut out the excess. Then after doing that, I will be adding the sauce, that is the filling. So now I just added the filling on top of it, and that is just it. Look at that. So I will use some egg to get that grease before I will cover it. So this is how I get that cover. Just so simple, guys. I cover everything like this, and then after covering that, then I will use my fork to give that a seal. So then now I will use knife to give that cut equal size like this. So after cutting everything, I will use the remaining egg mixture to grease it, and now it's going to oven to do the amazing job. Yeah, I will get that baked for 40 minutes, and 40 minutes later, look at that. Yeah, you did. Come and test this one. It go shock you. This one too sweet, my people. Try to share for me and you are going to love it. Give it a try. Your baby, everyone around you is going to love you when you get this done. I love you guys. In my next one, try this for yourself. Yes, try this for yourself. It's just so simple, so mouth-watering. Look at the sauce now. It was so nice. In my next one, bye.